Okay, so we're going to talk a bit about Prosper 202, which is a tracking solution. It's essential you use it with Plenty of Fish so you can find out which of your ads are profitable and which are not. Also very important as well if you're starting with a low budgets and you don't have a lot of money to spend on testing. It's very important to pinpoint which ads are profitable right off the bat. So with this, you want to be spending between $20 to $40 per day per campaign testing before you really scale things up. And with Prosper 202, it's going to show you exactly which ads are profitable, and you can just run those ads by themselves and then scale the campaign up to $50 to $100 per day and more than that. So all you really want to do with Prosper is optimize the ads to profit. So it's really simple. You basically take the data out of Prosper 202 and load it into a spreadsheet. And then basically what you can do is find out the spend on Plenty of Fish and compare it with the conversions or the revenue or income you made from those ads, and then see if you are profitable or not and go from there. Okay, so installation, what you want to do is go to www.prosper.tracking202.com. It's absolutely free, which is great as well. And what you do is you're actually going to install it on your own server, your own hosting, and your own domain. So what I like to do is choose just a very generalized dating domain, like Hotties Tonight or Hookup for You or beautifulgirls.com. That's a really bad example, but you get the gist of it. Something to do with dating, at a bare minimum, a VPS hosting or server. I believe I mentioned this as well in the Facebook videos. And again, I use beyondhosting.net for the VPS hosting and server. Alright, so again, you have to install Prosper 202 on your main dating domain. So if it was hottiestonight.com, if you went to that domain and it was installed properly, you would see the login screen, and then you could log into Prosper and check your stats. So what you want to do after it's all installed and good to go is go to your affiliate network and get your affiliate link for the offer. Next is you want to jump into Prosper and set up the campaign. Once the campaign is set up, you can generate the tracking link and add this creative ID tag to the end of the link, which will look like this. So it'll be a bunch of random numbers with the Prosper link, and then it'll say KeyW or keyword equals, and then you can just put that in there, creative ID. So what is the creative ID and what does it do? Creative ID is the most important thing for tracking with Plenty of Fish. This is a Plenty of Fish tag, and what it does is it's going to auto-generate the ad or the creative ID where the traffic is coming from. So if you place the pixel correctly on the offer and that pixel fires and it tells Prosper, hey, this ad ID number got a conversion, and boom, that's going to show in your stats. So you can actually reference the creative ID number, which is I think it's like 8 or 9 digits long, a unique number, and reference that with the actual ads in Plenty of Fish. So you can then easily see which ads are profitable and which are not. So what I'm going to do next is actually jump into my Prosper. Well, actually, first I'll show you how to download and install it. So first thing you want to do is go to prosper.tracking202.com, and it'll bring you to this page here. You want to click on the green button, download Prosper 202 for free, and download the zip file. Next, what you want to do is go up here to Docs, and here is a great 5-minute installation instructions. Also, there's more tutorials on how to install it. If you guys are having difficulty installing it, we can definitely, me and William can definitely help you out, but it's quite simple. But again, if you get stuck at all, just hit us up and we'll be there for you. So after it's all installed and ready to go and you're logged in, this is what you're going to see once you're logged in here. So what you want to do is go to Tracking 202 and go to Setup. So the first thing you want to do to set up Prosper 202 is create your traffic source. So let's just type in there FB for Facebook, and we'll add that. Next, you can go over to the traffic source you just created. You can create any username you want. So John Mac 1 Pixel. Don't worry about that right now. Don't worry about the pixel code. Then just go add. Your submission was successful, and you can see over here there is the traffic source FB for Facebook and John Mac 1. I'm not using POF because I already have it here. I just wanted to show you how it works. Alright, so number 2, we go to categories, and this would be your affiliate network. So you can see here I've already got a list of all my affiliate networks I use and run with. So you can put yours in there and add it. Number 3 is campaigns. First thing you want to do is select your affiliate network, throw in the campaign name. So if it's Russian dating, you can put it in there like that. Rotate URLs, no. You can if you want. It'll actually split test offers for you, which is pretty cool, but we're not going to do that for this course. We're going to try to keep it simple for you. And then what you want to do is throw in your affiliate URL. So it would be, russiandating.com / your affiliate ID, whatever that might be. Next, what you want to do is put in the payout of the offer. So, if it's Russian dating, it'd probably be around $5. Cloaking, I always like to leave cloaking on. It's not like a true cloaker, but it does help a bit from people who are trying to spy on your campaign. So I just leave that on by default. And then you click add. Excuse me. Next, you want to go to landing pages. So after you have your landing page set up, you can keep it on simple and go and select your network, your campaign, the landing page nickname, so Lander1 or whatever you want to call it, and then the landing page URL in there, and click add, and it'll pop up in here afterwards. Don't worry about text ads, we're never going to use that. Next, what you want to do is go to get LP code, click on simple landing page, throw in your network, the campaign, the landing page, and hit generate tracking link. That did not work. Let me just choose one that I actually have a lander up on. Here we go. Sorry, landing page POF1. So here's an example. Generate tracking link, and boom. First thing you want to do, actually the only thing you have to do on this page is just this first block of code here, okay? You need to put this on your landing page. And it has to go right above the end body tag. Okay, on your landing page. Again, if you're having any trouble with this, just hit up myself or William and we'll help you out. But all you gotta do is copy and paste this and place it on your landing page right above your closing body tag, which should be at the end of the code. Okay, and next you want to go to number 7, get links. Keep it on direct link setup or simple landing page setup. You can select your affiliate network, the offer, landing page, the landing page itself. Again, you can put cloaking on, your PPC network, PPC account. Let's see. And don't worry about max CPC because your actual CPC or cost per click is going to change. So this can be whatever you want. I like to keep it around 20 cents. That's what I try to aim for with Plenty of Fish. Tracking IDs, you don't have to worry about that either. Next, you go generate tracking link, and boom, there is your campaign link, which you're going to use for your Plenty of Fish ads. So just take note of that. And what you want to do, like I mentioned in the slide there, is you want to add creative ID. And again, that's going to auto-populate the ad ID so you can see which ads are getting conversions and leads. If you're not sure, again, what this really does, if you just go to Google and type it in here, oops, and go to the blog, and this explains it here on the Plenty of Fish blog itself, which is pretty cool. And finally, after you have your campaign link, you want to place the pixels. So you always want to grab this one, the Simple Global Tracking Pixel. It's actually an image pixel. So you copy this and you go over to your affiliate network, or you ask your affiliate manager to place this pixel on the offer. So that when there is an actual lead in a conversion, it's going to tell Prosper which of these ads actually got the lead or conversion, so you can calculate and see if it's profitable or not. So that's it for Prosper 202 installation and tracking and setting it up with your campaigns. Again, if you have any issues or difficulties, hit us up, and we're here to help you out. So I will check you and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.